Here's what you do when you have so many puppies you can't keep them straight. You make these nice elastic bands, and this time I'm not going to pull them all up as long as I normally would, but they get their sugars, they get their band on their head. Oh, good little baby. That way I know that one's had one. This one hasn't. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Good sugars. Good sugars. Lots of sweet kisses. See, they're so sweet. I got a ton of them. I got a little black one here. Oh, she's a girl. She's so sweet. Oh, I gotta put her little band on so I know she's got her sugars. Like I say, normally I do this a little bit longer, but so you don't have to watch a 30-minute video. Oh, this one doesn't have this. First I gotta get them all their sugars and their bands on, then we'll show you what we do next. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So I feed him after this too. How many have we had? You haven't had one. Oops, it's yours. Got 9. So it's going to be just a minute. You got a band. You got a band. You got a band. You don't have a band. I think I just about have all 9 of them. I just got 2 more, I think, without a band. You got a band too. Do you have a band? You don't. You don't have a band. Oh, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I have 9 dogs with bands on them. These are my babies. So then you're thinking, well, what do you do with your bands now that you got them on these dogs? Because you really don't want to leave an elastic thing tied around their thing. So what I do then, they've all had their sugar. Then we get their macro snacks. Compliments of Roberta Newman. She sends me snacks. So make sure everybody gets one. You got yours. Band comes off. You got yours. Band comes off. You got one. Here's one for, oops. Oh, I lost one. Somebody's going to get an extra. No growling. No growling. Here. Band comes off. Gotta get some more snacks. You got one. Here, one for you. Band comes off. Do you have a band? No, you've had a snack. Here. Here's yours. Everybody gets a snack. Now, have I got 9 puppies with a band off? Come here. Oh, here's one without a band. Here's one with a band. That means he didn't get a snack. There you go. Here's another one. You get that snack. Band comes off. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm missing one. Well, I think they're all here. I just have to recount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think there's 9 down there that had their snacks. So that's what we do.